What's up? My name is Ben Raddatz. You might notice me from the old channel that used to be called Rad Tech. So what happened with Rad Tech was apparently I was copying someone's trademarked name, so I switched it over to my real name. In doing so, I thought maybe I don't have to do only tech reviews, and so I started rethinking my channel. Up until now, I've just been posting a bunch of the videos that I filmed all at once earlier in the summer. Just week by week, I've been getting rid of all those videos, posting them to my channel. So I thought now would be a good time to reintroduce myself as Ben Raddatz and not Rad Tech, which isn't me anymore, don't worry, but you'll still be getting the same person behind the videos. Now, what might those videos be, you might be asking? Well, honestly, I think I'll still be doing some tech reviews. I do enjoy them, I just didn't think that it was a good long-term project for me. I didn't think it was feasible to continue doing long-term, but I thought, what if I teach you some of the skills that I know? Now, I know there's a lot of filmmaking tutorials, I know there's a lot of photography tutorials, I know there's a lot of tech review channels, but I thought, what if I put all of those into one channel? It's not really focusing on one niche, but I think there's enough people with similar interests as me to be able to broadcast all of this knowledge to all of you people, you YouTube viewers. As for what the specific future holds, I'm not too sure. I have a few videos planned, I have a few ideas for future projects for this channel, and other than that, it's fairly open-ended. I just wanted to introduce myself and explain what happened and just let you know kind of what is going to be coming ahead. I know I have a video about drones. I just got a new one. I've got some camera tutorials and explaining what cameras I use. I have some tutorials on different kinds of photography and video making. I have potentially some tutorials on 3D animation, but I'm not too sure if I'm good enough at that yet, but we will see. But I'm also open to what you guys want. I feel like my skills are broad enough to be able to kind of stretch in different directions to teach about different things. So if there is something that you're interested in that you might have seen in my channel, in my other videos, or if there's just some topic that you're interested in learning that pertains to kind of the topics that I've explained, feel free to throw a comment down below. And I don't know why I'm wearing my glasses. Feel free to throw a comment down below and I'll be happy to take a shot at it, see if I'm good enough to make a video about it. And who knows, maybe I'll learn something along the way while teaching you something along the way. There will still be some more tech reviews and unboxings and all of that, like all of my old videos coming up soon. So if you're super into those and you love that part of my channel, then you don't have to worry because I've still got a few more things planned. But apart from that, I think that's about it for this. I'm gonna throw this up as my new channel intro, so for all of you who are checking out my channel for the first time, hello, welcome, feel free to subscribe and throw a comment down below of anything that you want to learn. I'll get back to you, I'll try and teach you, and welcome to Ben Raddatz.